India on Friday recorded 49,310 new cases of the coronavirus disease, another high after a record over 45,000 cases in a day on Thursday. According to Union Ministry data, the number of COVID-19 cases have now reached 12,87,945. The cases are spiking each day with record pace. The country also recorded 740 fatalities in the last 24 hours, which pushed the death toll to 30,601, according to the Health Ministry data. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Telangana, Bihar, Assam, Delhi, Odisha, Kerala and Gujarat contribute to around 75% of the record single-day spike. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday attacked the government over the rise in COVID-19 cases and Chinese aggression in Ladakh, saying it continues to rubbish his warnings. He said even though he kept warning the government on COVID-19, disaster has followed. I kept warning them on COVID-19 and the economy. They rubbished it. Disaster followed. I keep warning them on China. They rubbish it, he said on Twitter. On Thursday, Rahul Gandhi released a video message wherein he said that the situation with China can be resolved only when India creates a global vision to take on the crisis. If you deal with them with a position of strength, you can deal with them. It requires a vision and international vision, he said. We are fighting among ourselves. Look at the politics. An Indian is fighting an Indian. This shows there is no clear-cut vision going forward, he added. The attack from Rahul Gandhi comes as the latest jibe at the center in his series of attacks this week. Earlier this week, Rahul took to Twitter and posted that the Prime Minister has fabricated a fake strongman image to come to power, which has now become India's biggest weakness as he has to protect the idea of 56 inch. Rahul Gandhi was the first leader to warn the government about the danger and seriousness of the coronavirus pandemic, and he also has been contributing with the experts' insight, but the government is not ready to accept the suggestions just because of prejudice and politics. India has been pushed into the dangerously spiking pandemic due to the mismanagement and negligence of the crisis by the government.